Now, a joint government task force has now been set up ahead of the nationwide crackdown on non-compliant public service vehicles to oversee the implementation of the tough Michuki rules meant to reinstate sanity on Kenyan roads.
The task force, drawn from officials from the Ministries of Interior and that of Transport, has also promised tougher guidelines not only to PSVs but also motorbike operators who are poised to receive a new set of laws governing the operation from the 1st of February 2019.
Timothy Otieno reports.
They all gathered in Nairobi just 48 hours before the kickstart of a countrywide crackdown on non-compliant public service vehicles for a final brief from the Cabinet Secretary of Interior, Fred Matiang'i, his transport counterpart, James Macharia, and Inspector General of Police, Joseph Boynet. The room full of county commissioners and commanders sat pensively as the Riot Act was read to them on the importance of seriously enforcing the tough Michuki rules come Monday.
And we are going to change, because we cannot continue to live this way. No one has lied to us that it's going to be a walk in the park. What we are about to undertake is a tough journey.
Especially the county commanders and the sub-county commanders, that I will hold you responsible. I will hold you responsible in your respective sub-counties and counties. If there is a laxity in any way in terms of supervision.
The revamped rhetoric comes just a day after the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions suggested further investigation against the manufacturing company that made the ill-fated Homeboys bus, which killed 58 people in Kericho County last month, as well as the insurance company covering the bus.
Some of these insurance companies, we go after them. Let us meet in court. If he's taking away their licenses, we take their licenses.
A multi-agency team has today been formed involving officials from the Ministry of Interior and the Ministry of Transport, who will oversee the enforcement of the famous Michuki rules, set to see a nationwide crackdown on public service vehicles to begin on Monday next week. The multi-agency team will be issuing President Uhuru Kenyatta with reports every 3 months.
When we look at the statistics so far, as it's actually last week, we lost about 2,626 people.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are dealing here not with an ordinary situation, but you are dealing with a matter of criminals.
Already, 64 Matatu SACCOs have been deregistered ahead of the crackdown, even as government stakeholders promise rapid change on Kenyan roads, all in an effort to preserve lives. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.